Hey Scorpio, EverlongMystic here. We're going to get you a message. First, we're going to look at a topic. Everyone gets their own topic this time. And then we're going to look at what is helping the situation or what's hurting the situation and what's helping the situation. All right, so what's the topic for Scorpio? Oh, there we go. So we have the listen card here, and I mean it's kind of giving me the vibe of nature listening to you. Like, you know how like I don't know. I mean, is it proven? I don't know, but like trees can hear you. They can understand you like energetically. That's why hugging trees is supposed to be so soothing. Um I feel like the earth is listening to you or something. Like something from the natural world here can hear you. That is interesting. God, I mean, it feels kind of special. I don't know. All right, let's get more details. We got some Kipper cards here. All right, why is this coming out for Scorpio? Oh, that is freaking sweet. You have the gift card. That is so sweet. It's like a gift to you, Scorpio. And I'm not sure what the images have to do with the gift. I don't know, maybe I should no, I'm not gonna look in the Kipper book. I'm just not gonna do that. Alright, decision. So nature's gift to you is listening. Do you have something on your mind, Scorpio? If you do, have a conversation with nature, the natural world. It could be the universe, the sky, the sun, the moon, birds, flowers, trees, whatever, right? Talk it through with nature. Perhaps you you have that gift. Perhaps you can communicate energetically with nature. So we have a house here. So it seems a little bit personal. Look at that. Conversation. Conversing. Having a personal conversation with nature. Oh my gosh. Well, I did not expect this. Alright, so you're gonna communicate with nature. Let's see what would be getting in the way of that. What would be getting in the way or hindering your ability or gift to communicate with nature? So we're gonna get one card for what's hindering the situation and one card for what is helping or can help. So one hurt, one help. Excuse me. So we have the World card. We have the World card as starting off the row of what is not, or what's kind of hindering your ability to communicate with nature. I just feel like this world card is big, is like something bigger, and I think this is Earth here that's at the forefront. Well, I mean, she is the world. She's a whole globe. It's like she's consumed with earthly things, like 3D life, perhaps. But, but Scorpio, it's like those are the kind of things that you're supposed to be talking to nature about. So, I don't know. It doesn't seem like a good excuse. Anyway, I don't know that that's what it is, but let's get some detail. All right. So what are these earthly things that are these 3D things that are hindering Scorpio's ability to communicate with things of the natural world? Ooh, 8 of Cups. Well, I mean, that's a good point. By walking away from it, not doing it, that could definitely, but that's kind of, it's kind of understood, you know what I mean? 4 of Pentacles. Trying too hard. Oh, not trying at all. Trying too hard. Okay. And 9 of Swords. Freaking out about it. Okay. What? And 7 of Swords. Faking it. What? Okay. That is so interesting. Alright, so, Scorpio. Things that will interfere with your gift, your natural gift for communicating with the natural world, are just not doing it at all, walking away from it, trying too hard, freaking out about it, like letting yourself be all stressed out about it, right? Or not being honest or true about it, not being authentic about it. Like, you know, something simple could be like saying you do when you actually don't, or whatever. You know what I mean? Interesting. Okay. So let's look at what can help, okay? What can help? Oh, look at that. The Hierophant. I love it. This is strengthening your spiritual connection, and I love it. Because we've got... So here we have the natural world listening to you, Scorpio, and here we have you listening to the natural world. How perfect is that? I love it. All right. I would think that the trees and the birds and all the, you know, the wind and all that, they have some very interesting things to tell you. Very interesting things. And right now, I am like, I don't know why, but shout out to Steph from Evening Skies Reflections. I'm totally thinking of her with this card right here. I think she's Scorpio, or has Scorpio in her chart somewhere. All right, we have 8 of Coins here. Yeah. So practice. It's almost like practice makes perfect here. Just keep going. Like you've got down here, like, you know, you already know that you've established a connection. You know you have it, right? And just go from there. Like, you know, try the tree, try the birds, try the sky, try the, or you know what I mean, like, and just going through it, it will strengthen your spiritual connection to the natural world, and it'll just get more fine-tuned and more fine-tuned. Ace of Wands, look at that. It really is inspirational. You know what I mean? It can be very inspiring. And I'm getting goosebumps. Like, I'm just imagining, right? Like, imagining, like, having a useful conversation with nature or, you know what I mean? Like, because it's like, it's free. Like, you don't have to pay nature. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I feel like there's a reciprocity. Not that there's, you know, you don't have to pay nature money, but I don't know. That was a bad example. Anyway. Four of Swords, meditation. Like, look, the bird will come. Like, instead of build it, they will come. Like, meditate and the bird will come. Wheel of Fortune, yes. And the universe is on your side, too. It's like, there's going to be times where, like, it's not all going to be super linear, right? It's not going to be like, okay, like, here's my progress, and it's great progress and a straight upward momentum here, but it might be a little weird, it might be a little discombobulated, but there's every once in a while there's going to be some insane magical moments here, and it's those random insane magical moments that keep this Ace of Wands fire going, right? Very cool. All right, Scorpio, go talk to nature. The card said it. Anyway, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye, Scorpio.